break. We found a hotel very close to the city center. Few minutes walk from the main station. So here it's pretty chic, a little tight. But that's how hotels are. You know.
May pa-room tour. So, hiwala yung shower.
Shower sa toilet.
And nakalabas yung sink. And then, here's the toilet. Dilaw na dilaw. Parang McDonald's. Parang toilet sa McDo. And then, here is the bedroom. Ayan. Modern.
Ganito yung gusto ko sa bahay.
Clean. Oh, yeah. May ganyan din yata sa IKEA, no?
Parang.
Yeah. With some seating space here. Tsaka surface. And curtains.